Dear learners, in this video we will discuss about the relations between categories. A category could be defined as a group of entities which has the common characteristics and that allows uh, a structured classification of information within the ontology. That is what is called as a category. There are two relations between the categories. The first one is disjoint. Two categories are said to be disjoint in relation if they have no members in common. For example, we can represent the category male and female in disjoint relation. That is, these two categories will not have any of the member in common. Male will be male and female will be female, and there is no members will be there in common. Okay, so this kind of category is called as disjoint relation. And the second type of relation is partition, which is also called as disjoint exhaustive decomposition. A set of categories, say yes, constitute an exhaustive decomposition or a partition of a category C, provided if all the members of the category C are covered by the categories in S. We say the set of categories S to be a partition of C, provided partition here is also represented as disjoint exhaustive decomposition in case if all the members of the set C are covered in the categories in the set S. For example, partition of males comma females comma person. Here let us consider the males and females as a set of categories, that this is called as S, and the person category is there, which is called as C. If all the members of the set C, say for example all the person will be covered in the categories in S. So please assume males and females, this set has set S and person as set C. If all the members of the set C are covered in the categories males and females, then it is said to these two categories S as well as C is said to be males and females constitute this males category and females category together in a set that constitute an exhaustive decomposition of the set called as person. So definitely a person category will be either one of the category, either male or female. So we can say that males and females constitute a partition or constitute an exhaustive decomposition of the person class. And also we can represent, instead of partition, we can also represent it by using the keyword called as exhaustive decomposition. Here is another example. Here let us consider the set of categories American, Canadian and Mexican. Let us consider these three categories as a set, and set S, let us consider this as set S, and North Americans as a category called as C. If all the members of the category North American will be in one of the category, either he will be an American or Canadian or Mexican. Okay, so this is also a suitable example for exhaustive decomposition, or we call as partition. So there are two ways, there are two relations between the categories. The first one is disjoint and the second one is partition.